Kublai Pibara sai sempat hakane ke video kemamta ngan pentip syapi yaki kubor lekam kalapenmi daka Railway Recruitment Board RRB kalapenmi hadu kharsa wajar tami ki post jong ki technician teketarik ban submit yaki application kelas dang nadu ka artarik Oktober hadu ka khardu tarik Oktober arajar upsau ya sampai jadi ke video hadu penakut kena wapen sutu hakabedai bat niki post bat kiwe ki jung.com teki kerdan pule kidon nadu ki balapas ya kala matrik kelas 10 syajrong bapia ban apply dengan yapetnya ya ki kertang jong ki post kapus banikong technician grade 1 signal number of post hadu syajar kenai puatli ki post baro ki balaj nangka kas 6 bapia ban apply kandai kat pernah hadu lai pundus 6 bat kandon ruka Upper age relaxation nak mata ki SC ST kategori hadu sans 6 apio ban apply nangta ka salary kadai level 5 kadai arp khandajar arspa nangta ka essential qualification bachelor of science in physics electronics computer science information technology instrumentation from a recognized university institute or BSc in combination of any substream of basic stream of physics electronic computer science and information technology instrumentation from a recognized university / institute. Dia berpendai beka bachelor haka sayan bat kawin apa yang kinek subjek kumka fisik electronic computer science information technology instrumentation haka nokono ka university lane institute or 3 years diploma in engineering in the above basic stream or combination with any of the above basic stream. Ane last name haka diploma haka engineer bat kumju i subject balakadau haneng or degree in engineering in the above stream or a combination of any of the above basic stream. Lane pede beka degree haka engineer bat ki subject balakadau haneng. Nata kapus baar. Technician grade 3 number of post hadu rajar san pu artiliki post baro mata kas 6 bapia ban apply kadai kat pra hadu lai pulai bat kandon ruka upper age relaxation yaki SC ST kategori hadu sans 6 apia ban apply nangta ka salary kadai level 2 kat kandajar kandai spa nangta ka essential qualification matriculation SSLC plus ITI from recognized institution of NCVT SCVT in the trades as mentioned in the official notification. Pede mempendep ya ka matrik lane SSLC ringkat bat ka ITI bala itu daka NCVT SCVT hakano kono institution or matriculation / SSLC plus course completed as apprenticeship in the trade mention lane pas matrik lane SSLC ringkat bat ki course bala pendep ak hakikam bala kedau hanang maka kapus balai Technician Workshop and Production Unit number of post hadu san hajar sispa san pusau teli ki post baro ka age limit kadai kat pra hadu lai pulai 6 bat kandon ruka upper age limit yaki SC ST kategori hadu san 6 nangta ka salary kadai level 2 kat kandajar kanai spa ka essential qualification part matriculation SSLC plus ITI from a recognized institution of NCVT SCVT in the relevant trade. Pede mempendep beka pede pas matrik lane SSLC bat ka ITI haki jing pule bela itu daka NCVT SCVT hakikam khayi or matriculation SSLC plus course completed at apprenticeship in the relevant trade. Lane matrik pas lane SSLC bat ka course bala pendep haka jing hikai hakikam khayi te kumno bapin apply yakini post interest candidate and eligible candidate may apply online through the RRB recruitment portal from 2nd October to 60th October 2024 dengan sabu hapok ka description ya ka website kenang mapin yo online direct nak ka website bang labu hapok ka description te tang kini kicik kutip hakabede bagi post blai sibon